made a pen for my father-in-law's birthday. This is a really special pen as it is made from an actual 50 caliber machine gun shell. The wood I used for this pen is black and white ebony. I thought this was the perfect gift for him as he is a gun enthusiast, and maybe he'll be able to use this to start his collection again, as I heard that maybe he lost most of his ammo in a boating accident. I'm not sure. This black and white ebony was actually the perfect wood to use because it almost has a camo type look to it. It's really easy to machine. Drilling through it was not hard at all. I did put my silicone mat down just in case I didn't want to start a fire down below the lathe. So I was just using it as a precaution, but it really wasn't that hot and didn't smoke too much. I decided to use epoxy this time to put in the brass tubing. Lately I've been using just CA glue, but the heat from drilling out the hole with the CA glue has been setting it really fast, and almost fast enough to where I can't get the tube all the way through. So I've decided to use epoxy. I don't have any extra brass tubes here for this one. I bought these silicone cupcake liners and they work perfect when I have to whip up a little bit of epoxy and not have to worry about the mess. I wanted to try the texturing tool to kind of see what it would look like if I could make any designs, but maybe I had the lathe too fast. It didn't look good, so I changed my mind and took it off. Still getting used to the texturing tool and how it works, so it doesn't always work out too great for me. I switched over to the carbide tool because I wanted to make sure that everything was straight across and even. The pen has to be perfectly fit in order to go into the shell. It can't have any round spots or anything. It has to be just perfectly fit. So I did size it off camera to make sure that it fit in the shell, and there was a little piece that I had to fix on the end, but otherwise it did pretty well. It kicked back on me. I was so mad and so worried because I have very little leeway here with as thin as this is, but it ended up being okay and turning out just fine. Overall, the pen came out really nice. I really liked it. I did have an issue with the shell not fitting the actual metal parts of the pen. So when I put it all together and went to fit it, the wood I knew was fine because I had already fit it, but the metal pieces were actually sticking. So I had to take a file and file down that shell because the edge of the shell was rounded over, and then file it and sand it a little bit to make it smooth so then it fits in nicely. It was late at night and I'm wrapping my brain around how this is supposed to go together because the instructions weren't as clear to me, at least at 10 o'clock at night. Here you can see that it wasn't fitting quite well. I couldn't get the pen all the way down into the shell, so then I had to go and fix that.